how to fix your AliExpress payment. If you are trying to buy something from AliExpress but you are not able to continue with the payment, and when you try to check out it says payment error. I'm going to show you a few fixes that you can apply to fix the problem. Alright, the first thing is you want to go to the app info right here and check all of the permissions here, because sometimes if the app does not have the required permissions it may cause trouble and you might be facing errors. So make sure to allow all of these permissions. Once you do that, you can go to the storage ones and clear all of the caches, because these junk files and caches sometimes may cause the problem. After you do that, you can clear data once. This is basically like uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So after clearing the data, you'll have to sign into your account once again. In most of the cases, after doing all of these, the problem should be fixed and you should be able to continue with the payment. But if that still doesn't work somehow, what you can do is log into your AliExpress in a browser and you can continue with the payment in the browser. That one will for sure work, and you can add your payment details on your browser, and from there you can continue with your payment and buy the product. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.